Hi there, my name is Austin from Automatic Business, and I'm here to show you how to make a workflow from when a quiz or a form is submitted by a user. So you just need to be logged in to your Go High Level account, proceed to automation, and then workflow, and then just create workflow. So you just need to start from scratch. Up top here, you can change the name of the workflow, Austin Testing Workflow, just like that. And then you could see that it has an add new trigger here. So a trigger is what triggers the form from the workflow from running. Let's say, for example, we have a form and it was submitted. That triggers the form. The workflow. And then it filters. We could point a particular form to which it will trigger to only that particular form. So let's say form is, and then we select from this form, and then we select this Austin testing form, and then that's basically it. When a form that has a name of Austin testing form has been submitted, Austin testing workflow will trigger, and that's the same for when you want a quiz to be submitted. So it already has a filter here. So quiz name is, and then Austin testing quiz. So when I save that, when Austin testing quiz has a submission or somebody has submitted Austin testing quiz, Austin testing workflow will trigger. That's it. You could add another trigger, maybe a form as well. Um, One that we did before, Austin testing form, and save trigger. You could add a lot of other triggers here. So when it's triggered, what do we want to do? I want to add a contact tag. I want to tag that contact who completed my quiz or my form. So we click plus here, actions, and you can search for contact here to see all the actions that's related to contact. So here is, we want to add contact tag. We want to select which tag we want to add. If it's not here, don't worry, we can create ourselves. So click this three point button, and then click dynamic, and just input whatever you want. Whatever I want. And I save. That should be all good. I want to add another one. I want to create an email. I'm going to search send email action. What's the name of this action? We need to name this action to know to easily um, check at which point that particular action has already been on. So for emails here, I'm just gonna say send an email to my client that they have that no, just thank you email for client to make my life easier. Subject: this is a test email. Here, thanks for completing my form or quiz. This is a test email. That's it. Test emails here. You could, add some random stuff testing. You could add your email here just to test if the actual email actually works. So send test email, it sends the email, this particular one, to your test emails. So you could even do HTML here. You could even do code to make it more beautiful. So we save that action, and then if we want to test it live, we can publish it and then save. So now you need to go to your quiz or your form, submit that, and then check if any of these have worked. That's basically it. That's your workflow. If it works, then you're good to go. There are a lot of other things here. You can add more actions if you want. So please play around with it. Discover a lot more things, and what else that you can do with Go High Level. So that's it. I hope you've learned something, and thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.